Memorial Hermann has about 15 hospitals in the Houston area, and we have a very active capital construction program underway. The total of that program right now is up to about $2 billion.
On the project management side of eBuilder, it's become a great utility tool for us. So we needed a software program that would assist us in keeping our budgets and also being a repository for all our documentation. And it's been very successful ever since and brought us up to the 21st century.
We have about 400 active capital construction projects, and they range in size anywhere from the small room remodels of $5,000 to $10,000 on up to a $650 million major renovation at our Texas Medical Center campus.
Right now, eBuilder is definitely working on a process for us to even be more efficient as it relates to our projects, as it relates to our project managers, as it relates to Memorial Hermann, being accountable as far as the budgets and the capital projects or the strategic projects that money has been allocated to.
Any way you can find to improve efficiencies, it will enable you to support your organization's larger efforts. For us, in some small way, using eBuilder, helping us redeploy resources elsewhere has helped our charitable initiatives in the city so that we can focus our efforts and attention on significant tasks.